How's everybody doing today? Well, looky here. This great guy that so many trust has come out and said this. The U.S. disease expert that they have to say every single time to make sure that you don't forget that this guy is the best expert in the world. Fauci says the vax verdict due by early December. How did they know this, right? At the very beginning of all this, when did they say that there's, so-called vax could possibly be ready? Oh, that's right, December 2020, right going into the new year. How convenient that they knew again, right? How many times are people going to fall for this complete psychological attack, psychological warfare on you every single day? You have to see this, okay? These people are lying to you. Look at his eyes. Look at this person, okay? How can anybody trust this person, okay? This evil whatever he is, right? This is only from a couple minutes ago. Check this out. Or I'm sorry, it's from a couple hours ago. 13 hours ago. It said 1 minute read. Right here. It says London from Reuters. It says U.S. infectious disease expert Anthony Fauci said on Sunday it would be clear whether a CV19 vax was safe and effective by early December, but that more widespread vax would not be likely until later in 2021. So are they going to get the 100 million doses from one company, 100 million doses from the other, like we already heard them say heard Trump say in the presidential debate the other night? And then we know it's going to be a step-by-step process. First come, first come, first serve. You come, anybody that wants to come get it, all right, come get it. They're going to target certain areas. They're going to say, oh, well, we got to go into these hard-hit areas, right, which are going to be your poverty, your elderly, right, because that's the ones they want to get the vaccine first, right? Then they'll go for their next step where they're going to go for anybody else that will voluntarily go and get this vax. Then, when it talks right here, when they're talking about the widespread, vax would not be likely until later in 2021, it's because everybody, this is when they will be coming after you and I. That is what they mean about the widespread. That means when they're coming out, having to find people that won't come to them to get the vax, okay? Look, we will know whether a vax is safe and effective by the end of November, the beginning of December. Really? I mean, it's I'm sorry, but it's pathetic if you still believe that this was not planned out step by step. This was a plandemic, the best plandemic you could ever see. It is so obvious. It's a scamdemic, whatever you want to call it. All we know is it's false and it's a lie. It says when you talk about vaxing a substantial portion of the population so that you can have a significant impact on the dynamics of an outbreak, that very likely will not be until the second or third quarter of the year. Yeah, that's right. Just like I told you, it's going to be a step-by-step thing, and they're going to have to come after certain people at the end. But it's always this. They got to do it right because they got to make a substantial, a significant impact, on the dynamics of the outbreak. Also, come on, people, right? Look at this. These are more fires. They're just everywhere, too. I think that's the end. This article was really quick. Yeah, that's it. They don't even need to have any more in this article because there's enough right there. Oh, trust this guy. Trust us, trust us, trust us. We care about you. And now we're coming to give you this vax that we're going to tell you, oh, look, it will be safe. Do you really think that they're ever going to come out and say that it's not safe, people? Did anybody think that? I mean, come on, right? Oh, well, we'll know if it's safe or not. Well, you can mark my words. I will shut my channel down, never cover another topic if they come out in December and say, oh, all of the vax products are all not safe. We have to, throw them away. We can't do it. We can't take the risk. Yeah, right. Look what's happening in South Korea. I've been covering that, 42 people dead as of yesterday from, complications of the flu shot. So please share this information because it's a step-by-step thing, like I keep saying. I keep being repetitive, but that's important to me because it needs to stick in your head. The way that they hit you with psychological warfare, we need to be doing it the same way, but doing it the opposite, saying, no, this is what sticks in your head. It is not healthy for you to do it. Do anything you can to not take these vax, to not take these tests, okay? Everybody stay safe, stay strong. We have a lot going for us. We truly, truly are making a difference. Thank you all for the comments. I truly try to answer every comment, and I truly enjoy talking to each and every one of you. And, you know, we are a family. We are all in this together, and without all of us, we have none of us, okay? We have to do this together, and we are getting to a point where we need to try to do something together. Now, I don't know what the answer is, so please, if anybody has ideas, you know, has other channels that are already starting to do this, just trying to get people talking off of these type of sites where, you know, you literally have information, I don't care if it's on a note card, somewhere where they can't wipe it out and control it, is what I'm getting at. That way, when they do eventually shut down all of our internet or whatever they do, you know they're going to cut it down eventually whenever they want us to not be able to talk to each other. And then that's when we will have that backup. So, I don't know. I know I don't know the answers, but I do know that I am open to helping and figuring out any way that I can to find those answers. So, everybody, remember, no panic, no fear. Prepare against these evil people right here, okay? As long as you can prepare and stay one step ahead of these people, you have a much, much better chance. We'll talk to you all real soon. God bless.